Hello everyone, this is a room tour from the LaQuinta Inn and Suites, or LaQuinta Inn in Duluth, Minnesota. And the outside of this building is nothing special, but the lobby is really nice and modern. I'll try to put a picture in right here if I can. I'll get a picture downstairs when we go back down. I'm going to show you, take you out into the hall, and then I will show you the room. Okay, so this is the hall. It's really fresh and bright, and I like this carpet. And we are in room 219. Nice big solid white doors. I like the white. I like that the doors are white. There's hard floors here. And I like this blue wall. That's just really pretty. And here's the bathroom. Very modern looking and fresh. Big, lots of counter space. Like the towels almost don't even fit down here. There's a hair dryer down there. Toilets. And since we're on Lake Superior, there's an appropriate picture. Curved shower rod, tub and shower. LaQuinta is also a Wyndham property owned by the same people as the American Inn we stayed in last night in Tofta, Minnesota. Big mirror here that Megan is looking at. Here's bed. Here's the closet. It's kind of small. There's a luggage rack and an ironing board. And really nice. Okay, the beds do not look as good as they did when we came in because we did our bed bug check. But they were very tightly tucked in and everything. It was very pretty. And I like this feature wall with the birch trees. Wouldn't you say that's what that is, guys? Yeah. There's some really nice photography over here from Duluth. It's really cool. And there's a microwave right here. There's 3 drawers. In here there is a fridge. There's a big screen TV. Coffee maker with coffee stuff. And then there's a very sizable desk with a chair. And then there's another just little chair here. It's nice. And our view is the snow. That's right. It's snowing. So, but this is nice. I did notice, oh, there's a fire pit down there. When we came in, guys, didn't it smell like chlorine in the lobby?
It smelled clean.
It smelled clean, yeah, and maybe, so it's very nice. We like it.